Okay, let's hide this again. Now we're looking at surveys can be administered using paper or electronic questionnaires, which I'm sure you've done. You can do face-to-face interviews. Most common type of survey is the traditional paper survey in the form of questionnaires. Questionnaires are a list of questions used to collect data from the survey participants. Designing questionnaires is probably one of the most important tasks when administering a survey. There's some general guidelines for the way you word the questions. Use simple and easy to understand. Avoid abbreviations and jargon, so that's like slang. For example, VCE, ABS, HSC. Some people don't understand that, so don't write out the whole word. Use short sentences. For example, there are many types of movies available in cinemas that people watch. Which type do you think most represents your preference? Very long. Could be replaced with straightforward questions such as, what type of movie do you prefer? Avoid vague or ambiguous, which means you don't know which way to go, questions by asking precise questions. Simple and easy to understand. We've already done that one. I don't want to showing that one again. Avoid double negatives. For example, would you say that your mathematics teacher is not unqualified? So that's a double negative, which actually means a positive. It's an affirmation. However, some people might not be aware of this and the question might look confusing. So make sure the question's not confusing. Ask for one piece of information at a time and avoid double barrel questions. So how satisfied are you with your job and your boss? You've actually asked two questions there, job and boss. The double barrel question, putting two pieces of information together. Avoid leading questions. For example, do you agree with the new school council structure? Yes or no. Could be replaced with the question as, do you agree or disagree with the new council structure? 1, strongly agree. 2, agree. 3, disagree. And 4, strongly disagree. So you've got an idea. You can at least scale it as to how you feel. Consideration to sensitive issues like privacy and ethics. Questions about issues such as income. People don't like talking about how much they earn. Religious beliefs. Not many people like to say what they feel. Political views, the same. And gender orientation. So does that mean, are you straight or gay or bisexual or what are you? They're sensitive topics and have to be stated in a sensitive manner. Avoid or eliminate bias. Consider the question, how would you rate your mathematics textbook? Excellent, good, or average? So you've said nothing that's bad. So therefore, if you thought it was bad, you actually couldn't say that. So the bias is the absence of that negative option. So questions with always and never can also be biased for participants. Consider the following types of questions and explain why they're not appropriate for the questionnaire. For every question, state a possible acceptable replacement. So, how many TV sets do you own? Okay. Well, that is assuming that all the respondents own a TV set. Some respondents might have a TV set in their household, but they don't own it. So, you could rather say, do you own a TV set? If yes, how many TV sets do you own? Why did I write it all the way down there? Did you buy lunch at the school's cafeteria last year? Or, I don't think that was the question. The question, let's start here. How many times did you purchase lunch from the Tucker Truck last year? Okay, heck, I don't know. It's hard to understand what period last year covers. The question assumes that all students buy lunch from the school's cafeteria, and it's hard to recall the exact number of times. Did you buy lunch at the school's cafeteria? Rather say, did you buy lunch at the school's cafeteria last year or over the last 12 months? If yes, state the approximate number of times, or alternatively, provide categories like 0 to 5, or 6 to 10, or 10 to 15, because you probably won't remember exactly. Backwards. What is your yearly income? Don't ask that. We usually don't like to state their income. Broad categories are more likely to be honored honestly, and it's hard to recall the exact number of times. So, what category best describes your annual income? Less than 25,000, between 25 and 50, and you can do it like that. Right, so we're going to stop there.